Because you're bigger than people I usually drive around. Twice as big.
Oh, not
I mean, I don't know. Yes, you are going to be on the vlog. This is going to be behind the scenes. After you guys release the documentary, I'm going to do the behind the scenes where I'm just talking smack the whole time. Okay.
And I check out Times Square if there's any chance. I just walk over there.
Okay.
Back in 5 minutes.
Cool.
Anyway, I need some time to prepare and
Cool.
set you up.
Okay.
And maybe we have to do a second. Because I really would like to have, at least we have one shot us passing by.
Times Square?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
This definitely.
Because we have to go from north to south, because that's the only way to go. So we'd have to like
something a little more powerful. Yes. Yes. What do you got? Well, I think more powerful.
it's madhouse here. You know? Well, this is behind the scenes. This was fun. This was a good time. Look at those folks. This was such a good time. Great crew, good people. I'm definitely ready for a beer. Look at that Escalade.
Can we do this a little sideways?
Yep. That?
Okay. Yeah, that's good. What about if I hold it? Yeah. Can you stand in front of the bike?
Yep.
Has to be very close.
Yeah. Well, what's your shot?
The beauty of that shot is
How do we record this?
Strong tourism.
it has to be a little bit. You're basically pretty much like this and
Okay.
dark,
Okay.
straight.
Okay.
Look at him.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, probably should be. I shouldn't be blocking this. I should be blocking like that. Yeah.
here.
Okay.
No, I'm just telling him. You be here and Johannes would stand right there.
Okay.
Johannes is in here.
Okay.
No, you just stand there where you were.
Okay.
Think of a single with him, and maybe you get
I'm just gonna back you up.
How were my answers?
perfect.
Good. I got a little too nervous. I got inside my head. I was overthinking.
Don't think.
Good.
Just go.
Yeah. I'm usually good at that. Yes, you are going to be on the vlog. This is going to be behind the scenes. After you guys release the documentary, I'm going to do the behind the scenes where I'm just talking smack the whole time.
Around the corner.
It's going to be crawling, you know. We're not going to be riding. I mean, we could ride there, but I feel like you guys are going to be stuck.
Oh,
My only thought is, you know, like, do we have enough wide angle shots looking up with like the motorcycle in the foreground and the cavernous Do we have that?
Yeah.
The best thing is to do it this way.
Well, with this, either on your
With a
hand
hand.
or we mount it. But I think like Wall Street's really good for that. Do we think it'll move there?
Is it too late?
Well, what time is it right now? It's like 5?
No.
Well,
Like
almost
1 to 6.
Yeah,
No.
it's
Yeah.
It will go down soon.
Yeah, it's about to go down in like next half an hour. I like how your time is set on German time.
Sunset is 6:25. That's in.
You know what?
That's in
Two of us,
40
we just go,
45 minutes.
we stick here. It makes no sense to go down now because then it's dark. Right? So we don't do that. We just go, take the camera over there, and we pass by. I hold it like this.
Okay. And we just ride through Times Square, and you guys catch like riding shots of us?
Okay. So then
Okay.
we have one iconic shot. We have one iconic shot with the Brooklyn Bridge, and we have one iconic shot with the Times Square. Okay. Because we have some nice footage, and you will drive by
Yep.
yourself with
Yep.
the camera.
Yep.
Everything is different now.
Yeah. And this one, I can't even feel the buttons with my gloves. All right. Rolling. You're rolling as well? What the hell? Gun-free zone. It's perfect. It's perfect weather now. Plus I'm like used to your weight now, so now we can go forever. We can go as far as you want. Because at first I was like, because you're bigger than people I usually drive around. Twice as big.
Oh, I'm not both.
I mean, I don't know. Just big boned. Hmm.